Welcome to DrupalEasy Show Tell, where I attempt to use or do something in Drupal that I've never used or done before. Now, demoing things like this is something I've been doing for years during DrupalEasy office hours. DrupalEasy Show Tell is a little bit different. I've got some expert help. Each episode, I'll have a guest that just so happens to be a subject matter expert for whatever it is that I'll be playing with. Now, before we begin, I want to make sure you know about our live online classes. We have regularly occurring sessions of our 2-week professional single directory components class, as well as our 15-week professional module development class and our 12-week Drupal Career Online beginner focus course. For specific dates and pricing, you know what to do. Head on over to DrupalEasy.com.
Alrighty, let's take a look at this DDEV Drupal contrib MkDocs add-on. So I don't know much about this. This is DrupalEasy Office Hours. James Shields suggested we take a look at this. I think what it's going to allow me to do is, if I'm going to use it on the repository for Markdown Easy, this contrib module, whose documentation is currently plain old Drupal.org documentation pages. But I think this is going to help me or allow me to create documentation as part of the module itself and then have it published in GitLab so that I can just have this link lead to the Markdown documentation rather than this Drupal.org documentation. And James just mentioned that he thinks this is meant to work with the Drupal contrib add-on, which I'm using, and it is this one right here. So we're not going to talk about this one, but this is the other one. We think it somehow works. It plays well with this one. Okay. So these are all available on addons.ddev.com. If you search for MkDocs. I'm guessing this is the one that we're using. Let's see. DDEV, Drupal, DDEV, which one is it? Is that right? Yeah, oh no, this first one. There we go. S. Ayers. Yeah, S. Ayers. Okay. So this is the one we're using. If you click on this, we're going to end up at the same place as this other link right here. So, okay. So we come here, and if you're using an up-to-date version of DDEV, which I am, this is how you install it, and then you do a restart. So let's do that. And then what do we do? I guess we just start writing documentation. Let's see, the add-on does not create a docs directory. It never overwrites anything. Okay, the service uses MkDocs material with PHP syntax highlighting. So how much do I actually need to know about MkDocs to use this? Do I need to know much? We'll find out. All right, so that's done. Almost done. All right, so if I do a git status, has anything changed? Oh, I do have a docs, an MkDocs. All right, so I guess I should look at, let's see, I've got my other screen, PHP Storm. I'm just navigating to Markdown Easy project. Give me 1 second. I want to do that off the recording. Where am I going? Drupal contrib modules, Markdown Easy, open. Okay. Then I can do this and do that and bring it over. Okay, good, good, good. All right, so I've got MkDocs. So I'm not going to touch this other than, I guess, well, this is generated by DDEV, so I'm not going to touch this. We're going to assume that that's the way it should be. But I do now have a docs directory with an index.markdown. Welcome to MkDocs. So PHP Storm gives me that little preview there. So I'm thinking that if I add documentation, well, here, let's just do something simple here. Let's come over here. And, well, I'm going to grab the HTML and convert it real quick. Depending on how quickly Drupal.org wants to work with me. So I've got 3 pages of documentation. Like I'm not sure how to add images, but we'll figure that out in a second. Plain text editor, let me just grab that. Okay. I'm going to leave welcome to MkDocs just for the moment. Sure. Sure. When are they going to put 10 and 11 on there? Okay. There we go. All right, so we're gonna have to do something with that image in a few minutes, but okay, so I'm just gonna hand convert this real quick. Or manually convert. What's the right word there? Boom. Boom. Okay, and I'm gonna just start doing this. Okay, Markdown processor implemented as the Drupal module utilizes the mark. Library and can be configured to, okay. All right, so save that. So the only thing I don't have is the image still, but let's see if I can't. If I come over here, I'm just gonna grab this image, put it on my desktop temporarily. All right, so it looks like we need to learn a little bit about, I mean, is it just regular old Markdown? Yeah, I'm sure it is. Creating a new project.
I think you need to list the pages in that markdown, in that YAML file, but
Well, I just have the index page for now.
yeah, when you have other pages, I think you'll
Yeah.
need
No,
to
I
add
think
them
you're
in
right.
there,
Yeah. No, I'm just
but
wondering on the
I'm a little
we'll
bit.
search on this, search for image. I don't want to link. Can I link or that's why I'm add an image. If your project I need to include this, oh, okay. So I need to do it in here then. Okay, so yeah, well, here we go. It is another file. So if I go to mkdocs.yaml, that's nav. Oh, this is just a layout. Okay, I'm sorry. This is just a layout. So I can just do this. I can just do image in here. Directory, image, and then I can, where am I? I am in Drupal contrib modules, Markdown easy, docs, image. Move that in there. Okay. But then what is the proper markdown syntax to actually include that? Right there. I don't want it linked though. I want it embedded. Is that possible?
It's certainly in Markdown.
Yeah. How would we, let's see, can I do like embed image? Writing with Markdown? Internal links, warning. I don't want a link.
Uh,
Oh, come on now. Well, okay, for now, just to, in the interest of moving things along, let me just do this. I'll just do Markdown, easy logo, image, boom. I didn't know, do I need to put that in? I guess that's not right. What am I missing? Duh, 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 duh. Yeah. What do I have? I have it all there. Exclamation point. All right. Okay. Let's get back to.
um, there's an option to. Oh, Amy June can tell you all about Markdown syntax.
Yeah. Am I getting something wrong there, Image? That's right, isn't it?
You might have whether within PHP Storm it's taking the root as the current directory. Your index MD is another matter. I think there's an option to in that add-on. I think there's an option to preview the
Yeah. That's what I was gonna. Yeah. I'd say this. You mean the build?
no there's an option to show a preview
In your editor, right?
in the no in the browser, I think.
Right. View the site at. I think
Yes,
I have to build it first, though.
maybe.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I got to do that, and then I can go to docs.site. All right. So if I do this,
That makes sense.
all right. And then if I do a DDEV launch, which should not show me anything because I don't even know if I have the site installed. I don't. Um, but if I do docs and get rid of this stuff. Oh,
That was promising.
yeah. So I guess that's too big, but otherwise it works. All right, so how do I add more than one page? So that's where I need to go to back to the, I don't know where I was. I'll go here. Create new, adding pages. There we go. Oh, in the nav. Okay, so general usage, advanced configuration. Goes on the bottom. Um, right? I'm guessing.
I think so.
All right, and then I'm just going to do new file, general usage.md. Did I make that plural? I did make that plural. So we're going to fix that. And another one, advanced usage.md. No, advanced configuration. Configuration.md. All right, so I guess we can fix this. Welcome to Markdown Easy. And obviously I want to make this even smaller, this logo, but I'm not going to do that now. So if I come over to here to general usage, I really wish I could convert from HTML. How can I convert from HTML to Markdown? Is there a tool for that, Amy June?
I use AI.
Oh.
That's
Sorry.
Oh.
You know, and I don't use AI for a lot of things, but
All right, I'll do it.
Famous last words, Amy June.
If the documentation is wrong, it's on Amy June. Please convert the following HTML to Markdown. Assume all images are in a image directory or a child directory named image. Let's go. Well, we probably don't need Opus for that. We'll save some money. Or not really any money, save some cycles. What? Oh, sorry.
it looked like you pay.
Yeah, I pasted it, but because it was so big, it pasted it separately than my doc block.
Yeah.
So. What is this?
Was that a code block in the
Oh yeah, it is. All right. All right, whatever. Let me just grab this, copy that. That's general usage, paste that. I'm gonna have to get that image, use the following mark up.
I think it's missed that code block at the bottom.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm grabbing right now. It's actually part of the list element. Hold on, I'm just gonna dump it there for now. Guess we don't need that, okay. Oh, I guess I do need. I need all of, what do I need here?
Amy Jane, how do you format a code block inside a code block?
don't ask me hard questions.
To use syntax highlighting.
It's
should be
9:30
highlighted.
in the morning.
Oh,
Use the following markdown markup. So how does that look here? Oh, so I just need this inside of that. Okay. I I just need. So I think I just need to do some additional nopes. Nopes, nopes.
How does it not end the previous one? Can you indent the second one? I don't know.
I don't know. Oh golly, look at all those. There's so many of them. But it's working. If you look, oh, it almost worked. I need 3 ticks at the bottom. Oh, and I created another code block.
Yeah. Can you use HTML for?
Oh, can I do like dot 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 and then how about an
I mean,
NB?
well, I was going to say, could you
Yeah.
put oh, that's interesting. Could I was actually thinking was could you put the you know the outer one as a HTML code tag? I don't know if that is that correct or not, but it's a thought. And then a slash code at the end. Oh, interesting.
Is there an escape key? Oh, look, my JavaScript is gone now. Oh no, is
Yeah,
that
because now it is treating as a code block.
can I escape those things? No. If I put a bunch of them, will that help? No. Okay. This is ridiculous, but how can I include 3 back ticks in a markdown code block? Oh, look at that. Use 4 backticks as the
Okay,
delivery. There we go. How fancy.
let's hope it works in the
Yeah.
what's it called again?
Don't have you got faith, my friend.
MkDocs.
All right, so I got to get this image though. Where are you? So, and where am I going to drop you?
I mean, James, why don't you just ask for world peace? It would be easier, you know?
There we go.
Moves that way. Ah.
That there. Oh no, where am I going? It may not show up yet because I have to. All right, that was the only image, I think. All right, let's just stop with that. It's getting a little ridiculous. Let's do advanced configuration. No images, no funky tags there. Please come forward to this HTML as well. Copy, paste, go. And June, you missed it.
What did I miss?
Dave Matthews,
Oh,
Tuesday
yeah.
night or Wednesday night. When was it? Tuesday night in Tampa.
Yes,
They
I
didn't
missed
play your
it.
favorite song, though. I'm sorry.
It's her favorite song. I'm assuming it's not actually her favorite song.
It is her favorite song.
Actually, it's not like
See?
my favorite, but
No, it's your favorite.
I do. It's definitely my top 25, James.
Okay.
This is all being recorded too. This is fantastic. Oh, look at that. It added YAML and PHP to the ticks. That's interesting. I didn't know that was a thing. All right, there we go. We got them in there.
Listening.
So now let's do our little MkDocs build. Warning. Advanced configuration.md. What did I say? Advanced. I spelled it wrong. Advanced configuration factor. Okay. Oh. What?
But the finding errors means it's doing something.
Oh, did I spell it wrong everywhere? Hold on. Advanced configuration.md. Advanced configuration.md. I think that's okay now. It's still looking for advanced.
Hang on, go back to the.
Oh, but look, it's still looking for. Hang on, let me run it again, just in case. Oh, yeah, caching. Let's just call that a caching issue.
Wow.
Oh, so I've got it up here. Why do I expect to see it down? Oh, because this is top level. So maybe I do want them indented. Can I just do it that way? Oh, I need some type of heading. What's a typical heading?
It's what
Drupal.org/ another AI module uses this.
it's
Let me
usually
see
what the heading is what you want to be on the top level menu.
So they have home, general settings. I want it like this.
And
That's
then
what I
look at
thought it would
their
be.
look at their MkDocs
MkDocs.
YAML.
Yeah. Yeah, they had it.
Okay, so it must be some of the other stuff in the file that's telling it to be format it like
What's
that.
this? Why am I in there? What is that? Version provider Mike? Wish I had that kind of power. Do they have little dashes? They do have little dashes.
There must be something in the rest of the file that's telling it wants it.
Yeah. I mean, it's not, yeah, it's not showing up.
But I mean, if you compare your
Yeah, these look like they're separate pages completely. And what's that module document? Do we really have to go through all this? Let's see. Site name. All right, so I'll update my site name. Site name.
there's your module documentation anyway.
Yep. So they have, okay. Markdown, easy module for Drupal. There we go. Sure. that in there. Name, font, oh, do I want all these features? Maybe I want all those features. Oh, they have all kinds of features here.
Maybe you
Header
don't want
auto
to.
hide.
Okay.
Whoops. Navigation footer. Content action edit. All right. So let's just
Header auto hide does sound a lot like what you want.
Yeah.
What you want.
I'm not going to touch that. Oh, extra. Look at that. Okay. And then here's all their nav that they have. Contribute example. All right, let's just try it that way. All right. Hey, Veroni or Bill Deroni. Oh,
There we go.
boom. We are missing that image though, aren't we? Oh, no, there's the image. I mean, boom, I think we're done.
That's a pretty good start anyway.
Yeah, I don't know what else I would do other than create an issue, do a merge request, merge it in, publish it. So how would I say that this, how would it be versioned though? You know what I mean? Look, here's that mic plugin. You see that the version provider's mic.
Mm.
And then there's some configuration for mic. All right, so here, I'm gonna ask. Okay. What does the mic plugin for MkDocs do? Here is some example config for it. Oh, I think I want Mike. I'm gonna add Mike.
Sounds good.
What else are they're using? Oh, and they have a search. I'm taking all this stuff.
Why not?
Why not?
Uh,
Enough for the AI modules. Good enough for me.
do you want the font awesome stuff?
So with what?
The font awesome stuff in the
Did I miss it?
in the extras bit below. The extra social.
Yeah, no, not yet. Because I don't really have anything for those. So extra version provider mic. Include markdown, allows embedding markdown in one another. Yeah, okay. All right, so canonical version of Markdown Easy is 2.1, is that what I'm on? Two dot O. 2.0.0 version selector true deploy. All right. I don't know what that Lightbox plugin, that might just be for images, which I don't really think I need for this. I'm just going to delete that to avoid that issue. Oh. Oh, they're getting rid of plugins. All right. I'm getting rid of all this stuff then.
Oh dear.
I don't know what this dev. I don't like this. Well, I guess I'll leave it. What is
Is that
does
just telling it how to preview on a dev site? I don't know.
I don't know, but it's not in the AI one, so I'm getting rid of it. I'll just comment it
Fair
out for
enough.
now. All right. That's it. Boom. 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 I've already got a search. Okay. So if I do power user modes, perfect. Look at that. All right. That's it. I think we're done. I think we're done. So now, I mean, I don't have an issue open for this. Get status. I mean, I can do all that pretty quick, but what would I need? I would just need, I guess I would just need to commit those, right? What's in that
I would
docs
expect so.
directory? So on GitLab or Drupal code, get.Drupal code, if I have that MkDocs file, will that automatically, well, here, let's do it. New issue, convert documentation to MkDocs using the DDEV plugin. Move the current documentation to MkDocs. Okay. Let's see, assign myself and create issue and come over here. And then what is it if I do, was it /do fork? Is that right? That make a fork for me, I think. Is that happening? Oh, there it is. Fork created. All right, so now we go to the fork management page. We don't need that. Okay, show commands. I've already got a clone of the project. I'm on my main. I'm gonna add this fork. Add and fetch this fork. Get status. Oh, I always forget I have to check it out. First time. Check it out. Get status. Get add MkDocs and docs. I don't think there's going to be anything else there that I need. Get status. Git git commit -m first draft of MkDocs. Git push Markdown Easy 358 976 3589 7. Isn't that the name of it? I type it in like a caveman.
You can do it.
I could. Why should that should autocomplete? I thought that would normally autocomplete for me. Okay. Get push. All right. Boom. I don't need that open. Hopefully I don't need my local version open. I'll close the AI version. Or go to this page. Is something happening? Oh, I need a merge request. Can I do that from here without copying and pasting? Create MR, look at that. This into that. Yes. Should be one commit. Sure. Well, no, actually, I want to unassign that. I'll make James do it. Yeah, okay, that's what I wanted to see. That's going with that one. Create merge request. So is there a way that I can like preview to see if it actually does something? Like, how would I know? You know? All right, so here, maybe that's add
This
on.
is
Okay, so if I do all that stuff, how do I tell? Okay, let's see. I just added an MkDocs.yaml and docs directory to my Drupal.org module project. Do I need to do anything in the, and I'm thinking I might need to make a change in the, what do you call it? GitLab CI. GitLab CI.yaml file to have the docs generated. Dude, it's automatic. Get out. So theoretically, I don't do anything. Okay, I like that. I like me not having to do anything. Oh, and I can actually merge this right now because no one's going to see it until I change until I change this. And I believe I do that up here. Right?
that's right.
Yeah, I would have to update this. Okay, so I'm just going to merge it. I'm going to edit commit message, and I'm going to do the thing that James just taught me. Credit others. Well, sync from source. Not gonna be anybody there. But I will add loss. Oh, do I have to do
Don't think you need the at.
You don't want the at.
lost card keys? Do you know that guy?
No, I do not. I like it.
Oh no, sorry, jeez. Folks. David, tell me what a great job I'm doing. How this looks great from your perspective.
David gone away.
David. Actually, you got to tell me what your
Is it warped?
Drupal.org.
Warped.
Oh, what is it? Yeah, what is it again?
Warped.
Warp.
Warped.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. How do I?
I think you click save. I thought it would show
Save.
show you a
That's right.
preview. Oh yeah, it would show it when you tick the boxes. It'll show you. So it won't.
You
You
need
have
to
to tick
tick
your
you
own box.
too. Yeah.
That's what I want right there. Boom.
You need to hit save again.
Boom. Thank you. Okay. Boom. And we are just going to auto merge if that all passes, so we can see if this works. Ready to merge. Almost ready. All right, so what did AI say as far as words going to be? Your module name. Damn, that's awesome. Okay, so we go here, mark down easy, should be nothing there yet. Okay, so we're not gonna do that. And now we have to be patient.
Isn't it /project name?
It just says project.pages Drupal, your module
Oh,
name.
okay.
It is AI, so it could be wrong.
It could be. No, look at that. It's just
Ah, and the
Oh.
version number.
Interesting.
interesting, isn't it? All right, so I think we're all done with this page. We're letting this has to continue to do its thing. Oh, it's so slow. Okay. I'm going to pause the recording here.
Check your spelling.
Yeah, let's. Where are the? What? Oh, these are probably in the MkDocs.yaml
Yeah.
file.
Oh, right. Oh, could be, yeah.
Yeah.
It should.
Yeah, can I ignore that? Yeah, they're all in MkDocs YAML.
Just delete them.
How do I ignore the entire file?
Oh,
Like,
you can put a C spell ignore at this.
but
Actually, I think there's two things. I think there's a GitLab CI variable that you can list files you want to ignore or paths you want to ignore, and or you can put a comment at the top of a file that says C spell ignore this file, but I don't know the exact syntax offhand.
let's see, what can I add to my GitLab CI.yaml to have C spell ignore a file? So it was cspell and ESLint. Is ESLint going to be all the same stuff? YAML. Indentation. Is it all, where does it say the file?
What's the betting?
Yeah.
What's
I just
betting?
want
It's lines that you've got hash comments or not got comments on in your YAML file.
I'm just going to ignore them both. About the same for ESLint. Wait, where am I doing that? I'm doing that in variables.
Yep.
Okay, DOS dot. Is it YAML and YML? And oh, come on. Oh, I'll do it your way, James.
No, didn't say it my way, but
Oh, it's your way. You own it now.
oh, right. Yeah.
Okay. Let's hope that does it. Otherwise, you're in trouble, James. Git status, git dot GitLab, and MkDocs. YAML, git commit, minor fixes for C spell and ESLint. All right, while that is running, I'm going to go. I'm going to step away for a moment here. Oh, it actually merged it too. So maybe this will work.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, it did work.
Hey.
All right, well, that's all good.
Cool. You probably need a new merge request for your pipeline.
Yeah, because it's not going to run again.
Did you restart recording after?
I never stopped it. I never stopped it. Yeah, okay. Let's go. Just wait a minute. The source branch. Yeah, because I already merged it. Oh, what a pain. I think I should be safe to rebase though. The source, okay.
The source branch doesn't have all of the stuff you just merged, so it's
Yeah, because I merged in one. I merged in that one, so it's really it's already closed though. Yeah, yeah, because the branch has two. But one of them's already there. You know what? I might just, well, how am I gonna do this? Can I rebase? Let me try it on my local here. Git checkout 2.0.x. Git fetch origin.
I'm sure you can rebase.
Git rebase origin 2.0.x.
Oh, great.
Git checkout 358. Git rebase 2.0.x.
This is where it gets.
Yes. Okay. Skip previously applied commit. Okay. Git
Oh, right,
log.
right.
So I can rebase.
Cool. And
So, all right.
so I think you need to push that. So you've rebased on your local, and now you need to push it into.
Yeah, okay, that's true. Yeah, all right. Oh, I could do that, or I could just hit the rebase here and have it rebase there.
Oh, okay, cool.
But either way, I'll push. That's not a bad idea. That might make it cleaner on.
If you do git push minus force with lease.
Yeah, I think I got a force. Well,
Oh,
worst case is I'm gonna mess up my okay. Merge requests.
There's a minus force dash with dash lease, which is I think a less severe version of force.
Let me see what I did here. I may have. Oh no, it is ready to merge. And one commit will be added. And that commit is, it better be. Yeah, that. Okay, so I think I'm okay.
Might want to wait and see if the pipeline passes first this time.
Yep. All right, I'll be back in a minute or two while this is doing its thing. All right, nothing happening there. Oh, what? Yes, lint. 33, 34, 48. Is it the double? Yeah, all three of those lines have. All right, do I need these extensions? Emojis? No. I'm not using emojis. Do I need super fences? I don't think so. Here's how I'm going to double check. If the AA module isn't using them, that's good enough for me. Okay, MkDocs. Oh, look at that. They are using super fences. They're using mermaid fences. I'm getting rid of mine. I don't even know if I need any of these other ones, but I'm getting rid of the ones that are stopping me from doing what I'm trying to do today. Not sure what the rest of these are. Git status. Git add MkDocs MkDocs git commit -m, another tweak to hopefully satisfy ESLint. There's another ESLint issue, and it was just due to a couple of extensions that used a double exclamation point for something. So I wasn't using the extensions, AI module isn't using them, so I just bailed them. And the pipeline's running again. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's fine.
That's got to be the previous one, doesn't it?
Exactly. It's got to be. Okay, here's the current one. Ay. All right, so I'm going to set this one to, let's see. Merged into 2.0.x, but before closing, the docs need a second look to make sure we didn't miss anything. And I'll change that we to I. Once we have a green light, I can update the project pages, documentation link as well. Okay.
Is that pages possessive, not pages plural?
The project pages. Oh, that's right. Apostrophe
That's okay.
S, right? Yeah.
If the intention is possession, then yes. If the
Yes.
intention is plural, no.
Yes.
That's good.
Agreed. So we'll just let this finish. Although I think I'm done here. So I'm going to do a git checkout 2.0.x, do a DDEV stop on my local. Because as soon as this passes, I'm going to go eat some dinner. Oh, we passed. That's good. Okay.
Hooray.
And you're going to actually here with this. Well, I'm not going to open this. There's an issue that we were looking at earlier in office hours, but since we're recording this stuff for show and tell, I'm not going to mention it. I'm going to let this go, and then yeah, actually, it doesn't really matter because we didn't change any code. So I think we're good. Documentation has been converted and just needs a once over, and then it will be official. All right, cool. Well, thanks for your help, James. And
You're
David,
welcome.
wherever you are. That'll end office hours as well. So I will see all of you next time.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. Don't forget, if you have a need for professional Drupal training, be sure to check us out at DrupalEasy.com.